Now section 1, exercise 2. It says devise a circuit, series circuit, such that when I0.0 and I0.1 is on, Q0.0 is on. So it says when two inputs are on, then only the output should be on. So this is like a series gate. You know, if you know about digital gates, you know when two inputs are on, then only output is on. That is a series gate. So we have to devise a circuit in series. So in that case, I have replaced this NC with NO, another NO. And here, instead of push buttons, we'll be using these as maintain button. Okay, so I can also configure this button by right click, and if you want to see, it's alternate action, or you can say alternate action. Okay, you can see here. Well, I can show you by maximizing it. That's the alternate action. Alternate is like a toggle button. So I'll take these two as a toggle button. All right. So what happens in toggle button, when you press the button, it will retain the state. Okay, so that I can simulate this logic. So when I press these two buttons, this indicator should be on. That's the condition. So it's very simple. You take one NO bit here, and you take another NO bit here, and you take the output here. So when these two are on, then the output will be on. So these two will be given address of these two buttons. So it will be I0.0, and this will be I0.1. Okay, the output will be Q0.0. Pretty simple. So download this logic in the PLC and let's see the results. Click download and let the program transfer. So once it's downloaded, it will ask me to place the PLC in run mode. So I'll click OK. Then I'll go to program status and I'll click on run here. Now when I press this button, it will retain the state, but this doesn't goes on. Let me check the logic. Maybe I need to link that again. Yeah, the buttons are not here. So I have to link the buttons to my PLC. Now it makes sense. So when I press this button, you can see that this input is on. But this is not true because this button is not pressed. That's why the output is not on. So the moment I press this one, the logic goes true and the indicator goes on. So if I release any of these, the logic got false because this is false. False and true is false. This is the AND gate. So we have to make sure both the inputs are true, then only the output will be true. This is what AND gate, and this is what being asked in the question. When the two inputs are on, then only the output should be on. So if you make false any of these two inputs, if you turn it off, the output will be off. You can see that. Alright, so this is about the second exercise, the AND gate. Let's see what we have in the next video. Thank you.